Good morning, one and all. Today we have discussed about introduction of fixed partial denture. Coming to the introduction, fixed process retains to the restoration or replacement of teeth with artificial substance that are attached to natural teeth, root or implant that are not readily removed. Coming to the definition, a partial denture that is loose or otherwise securely retained to natural teeth, root and dental implant abutment that furnish the primary support to the process. It cannot be removed by the patient. Indications of fixed partial denture is lost or missing teeth or fractured, discoloration, malformed teeth and dental caries. Most specifically, fixed partial denture indication: the patient with good oral hygiene, the abutment teeth is periodontically sound, retainers and abutments are well designed, the edentulous space is short and straight. Coming to the contraindications, the root surface of the tooth to be replaced is greater than that of abutment teeth. When there is no encouraged support, the previous process shows unfavorable reaction of the mucous membrane. When abutment teeth needs more tooth destruction below the 18 years old. Advantages: more stable during function, less traumatic to soft tissues, more accepted by the patient, not exposed to fracture and repair. Coming to the disadvantages, it is more expensive and time taking process, need more tooth destruction. In partial denture, there is a removable partial denture and fixed partial denture. Crown, it is a fixed extracoronal artificial restoration that covers the coronal portion of the natural tooth. Dental implant, the artificial tooth root placed into the jaw to hold a replacement of tooth, bridge or denture. Veneers, a thin layer preparation over the facial surface of the anterior teeth for more aesthetics. It is indicated only on anterior teeth. Inlays and onlays. In inlay, an intracoronal restoration like deep decayed teeth. Onlay, intracoronal restoration with restoring missing teeth. Coming to the parts of fixed partial denture: retainer, pontic, connector and abutment. Coming to the pontic, it is artificial tooth replacement. Retainer, crown that is used as a part of fixed partial denture for retention and support from abutment. Coming to the connector, it connects the pontics and retainer. Abutment, any tooth, root or implant which gives retention and support to the fixed partial denture. Coming to the retainers, there are two types: major retainers and minor retainers. In major retainers, which covers the entire the occlusal surface like full and partial veneer crowns. In minor retainers, a small extension cemented over the tooth like inlay and onlay. Retainer classified based on the tooth coverage. full vernier crowns, partial vernier crowns, conservative retainers and telescopic retainers. Full vernier crown that covers all the face surface of the crown. Partial vernier crowns do not cover all surfaces. It includes one or more surfaces. In conservative retainers requires minimal tooth reduction like acid etching. Telescopic retainers, when path of incision does not coincide with the long axis of the abutment, in fixed partial denture cemented in copings. Coming to the Pontic, a part of fixed partial denture that replaces the missing teeth. It classified based on the mucosal contact and non-mucosal contact. And mucosal contact, ridge lap Pontics, modified ridge lap Pontics, saddle Pontic, ovate Pontic, spheroidal Pontic, bullet, conical or heart-shaped Pontic. In ridge lap Pontics, it resembles like natural tooth, adapt closely to the ridge. Modified ridge lap Pontic, tissue contact only on buccal surface of the ridge. Saddle Pontics, it covers both buccally and lingually. Ovate Pontics are mostly used in defective and in completely healing ridges. Spheroidal Pontics contacts only on ridge crust. Bullet, conical and heart-shaped Pontics contact tissue surface in single point without any pressure. See in the figure, in saddle Pontics both on buccal and lingual, in ridge lap Pontics only on buccal. Conical heart-shaped Pontics only pinpoint contact. In ovate Pontics, it resembles mostly used in extraction and healing sockets. Pontics based on without mucosal contacts. Bullet shaped Pontics, hygiene or sanitary Pontics. In bullet shaped Pontics, it is without mucosal contacts. Do not makes any contacts with ridge. Easy to maintain, but it is an aesthetics. It is these Pontics are used in most in posterior region. Pontics based on metal, all ceramic, metal and resin veneer Pontics, metal and ceramic veneer Pontics and all metal. Coming to the connector, a portion of fixed partial denture that unites Pontics and retainers. Types of connectors, rigid connectors, when entire load on Pontics to the transfer directly to the abutments. In conventional type indicated only for short span bridges. Types of connectors, non-rigid connector, turn mortise connector, sprint Pontic connector, cross pin wing connector, loop connector and locking rod connector. In non-ridge connector indicates when single path of incision cannot be achieved due to unparalleled abutments. Splint Pontic connector connects incorporate in the Pontics. The Pontics is split into mesial and distal segments which are attached to their respective retainers. Cross pin wing connector similar to the splint connector indicates for only tilted abutments. Loop connector, lingual loop is given to the connect the retainer or abutment. It is used on extensive diastema cases. Locking rod connector, a connector occurs in Pontic space. Here in diagram, you have seen terrain mortise and ridge and non-rigid connectors, loop connectors clearly. Types of fixed partial dentures, conventional and cantilever. In conventional, mostly commonly seen supported from the abutment on both sides of the edentulous space. In cantilever, supports taken from the one side of the edentulous space. Types of fixed partial denture. Spring cantilever fixed partial denture, extensively designed for replacement of maxillary central incisors. Support is to be obtained from the posterior abutment. Fixed removable partial denture. Removable partial denture having one or more and non-rigid connectors. Fixed removable partial dentures. One part is fixed while other part is kept removable. Mostly indicated in maxillary and mandibular defects and long span bridges. Thank you.